morning, children. Hope you have written the difficult words. We have to read, but first let me teach you the lesson. Then we will read the hard words later. Today I am going to explain you the lesson. After explaining the lesson, I will give you this time little change. Due to some reason I couldn't give you the reading of the hard words. Understand? So let us have the lesson explanation. Papaya's adventure. Our lesson is Papaya's adventure. So, in this lesson, papaya. Generally, papaya means what comes to your mind? A fruit, right? Which is rich in vitamin A, which is good for you people. So, eye and skin, etc. Understand? But here in our lesson, one pet animal, tabby. Tabby means the cat which has brown fur is called tabby. Understand? She got the name Papaya. Here we have two children, main characters of our lesson, Neera and Niren. Neera and her brother Niren. Neera, sister. Niren, brother. Understand? Neera and Niren, brother and sister, they gave this name to their pet. And what adventure it did? Adventure means సాహసంతో నిండిన పనులు. ఈ చిన్న క్యాట్ కిటన్ ఏం సాహసం చేస్తుంది అనేదే మన లెసన్. చాలా ఫన్నీగా ఉంది. ఐ ఫీల్ అండ్ ఐఎమ్ షూర్ యూ పీపుల్ ఎంజాయ్ ద లెసన్. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us start our lesson. Please have a textbook in front of you. Open on page number 33. Open on page number 33, children, all of you. Papaya was an odd name. Papaya was an odd name to give a grey and white tabby. Grey and white tabby means a cat which is having the fur of grey and white color. It is a funny name, odd name, because we can call the pets with Softy, Sweetie, Sony, this and that. But Papaya nobody calls. Yes or no? So it will be some looks odd name for the, kitten. Understand? So Papaya was an odd name to give a grey and white tabby cat with the most beautiful golden eyes and white whiskers and white paws. Understand? So it is the description of that tabby. Cat. It was beautiful with its white and grey fur, and its eyes were golden color eyes. And it has white whiskers. Whiskers ante telusa? I will draw. Meer ilagi kada cat. అవునా? ఈ మీసాలని విస్కర్స్ అంటారు. వీటిని విస్కర్స్ అంటారమ్మా. Understand? This hair which it has under its nose, it is called whiskers. Understand? It had white whiskers and white paws, legs. Vitni paws antaru. They are of white color. In this way, it was very attractive with grey and white color, fur, white whiskers, golden color eyes and white paws. But the odd thing about Neera and Niren's beloved pet kitten was her love for papayas. What was odd about the pet of Neera and Niren? What was the pet of Neera and Niren? It was their kitten. What was the odd thing? It liked papaya very much. Its favorite food is papaya. Eppudu chusaramma, have you ever seen cat eating papaya? But this cat liked papaya very much. Generally, anybody has cat as their pet, they will feed it with milk or curd rice, or its favorite food is rice. Yes or no? But here in our lesson, this pet of Neera and Niren, it loved papaya, it loved to eat papaya very much. Understand? That's how they gave her the name papaya only. What happened and how this tabby got the name papaya is our lesson now next. When she was a small kitten, she had smelt a ripe papaya in the big blue china fruit bowl in the middle of the dining table. When the kitten was too young, when she was a young kitten, very small kitten, she had smelt, she got the smell of a ripe papaya which was kept in a blue color china bowl, fruit bowl at the center of the dining table. She had jumped up and decided to taste this funny fat fruit. So this cat jumped on the table and she decided to eat this funny fat looking fruit. She had eaten up nearly half of it before she was found by Neera and Niren. Before Neera and Niren found her on the table, she had finished eating half of the papaya, more than half of the papaya. Understand? Seeing this, let's call her papaya, said Niren, feeling happy with himself. That's better name for her than Kitty. Kitty pet ani pilustaru chala mandi kitten ni cat pet cat ni. When they saw her eating papaya so lovingly, so interestingly, Niren said to his sister, Neera, shall we call her papaya? It is better than calling her Kitty. Understand? It's a funny name, said Neera. Ela piluvali, it's a funny name, calls Neera, says Neera. That was not the only odd thing about their cat. They discovered next summer that papaya liked to travel. She was a good traveling cat. So anyways, that day onwards they started calling her this Kitty papaya only. There are many funny things. Not only this liking papaya is not the only funny thing this cat has done. It had so many funny habits. One among them is traveling. She liked traveling very much. So she is a very good traveling cat, said Neera and Niren. They found it, they discovered it that she loved traveling also when they went on a trip in summer holidays. That summer they were to go to Kashmir for their holidays. Summer holidays generally people visit hill stations. So Neera and Niren's family also, means Neera, Niren and their parents decided to go on a trip to Kashmir. But now question comes, if you have any pets at home, where to leave them? Who will look after them? If you have good neighbors or servants you are living at home, you can keep these animals with them, pets. They will look after. But here Neera, Niren, their parents all were on a trip. So they could not leave her. This is a big question in front of them when they decided to go on a trip to Kashmir. But where shall we leave Papaya? Mother asked. They had a plan to go to Kashmir for summer holidays. Then mother thought where to keep papaya. Papaya means not the fruit. This cat, where to keep her? Mother asked. No one knew. No one had the answer for the question. At last, mother said, I suppose we will have to take her along. We can take her along with us, said mother. Mother said, when we don't have anybody to look after, it is better let us take her. How they took is next interesting thing. మనతో పాటు తీసుకెళ్దాం ట్రిప్కి దీన్ని కూడా అని అంటారు. అందుకనే we can call her the good traveling cat also. That was just what the children wanted to say. We will take care of her ourselves, like always. They promised, shouting happily. So children also actually wanted to take papaya with them on a trip. But parents don't allow. They were sure about it. So they did not say anything. But when mother said, we can take her along with us because there was nobody to look after her at home, they were very happy. Then they excitedly said, okay, we will take, and we will take care of her in our trip also. When we are going on a trip, we will take care of her as we take care of her at home. Who takes care of the cat at home? It was Neera and Niren. They were screaming happily that mother got ready to take kitten, papaya, with them on a trip. All papaya saw of the journey was the dark inside of a big, closely woven basket, which was bumped, jolted, set down roughly, and carried to and fro. She curled herself up and down at the bottom of the basket, sighed deeply, and fell asleep. So, as we go on a trip, we travel by train or bus. What we do generally, children, we sit at the window and we look out and see the beauty of the nature. We will enjoy the trip. But this poor cat had no chance of all these things. Why? Because she was put in a big basket, closely woven. Chinna chillulu kuda levu baita chudaniki anta closely woven knit chesina bag lo pedtaru annamata ameni. And దాన్ని పట్టుకొని వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఇలా వేలాడుతూ వెళ్తాం కదా, we just bump it, we jolt it. Moods and roughly we carry it with us. కింద పైన ఇలా చేసుకుంటూ తీసుకెళ్తాం. కానీ this cat had no any other chance to come out. So she, at the bottom of the basket, she curled herself. అంటే ఇలా ముదురుకొని పడుకుంటుంది అన్నమాట. Next what happens? She woke up at another bump. She heard something swishing past her softly. It was much cooler too. She sat up in her basket, straightening her whiskers, and heard Neera and Niren shouting with excitement. So at the next bump, ఇంకొకసారి ఇలా కదిలించినప్పుడు she got up. She heard some swishing, అంటే some sound, air, cool breeze sound she hears. It was very cool. అంటే ఏమి కశ్మీర్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత కూల్ ఎయిర్ ఉంటుంది కదమ్మా. సో కూల్ ఎయిర్, ఆ ఎయిర్ సౌండ్ వింటుంది అనమాట. అప్పుడు వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ వాట్ షీ డిడ్, షీ సాట్ అప్ ఇన్ ద బాస్కెట్ ఓన్లీ అండ్ స్ట్రైట్నింగ్ హర్ విస్కర్స్ and heard Neera and Niren shouting excitedly. They were shouting in excitement, happiness, because they reached Kashmir. Look at the funny little boats with cushions and curtains, said Neera excitedly. Neera said, look at those small boats, tiny boats. They are having curtains and cushions. You have no on sofa cushions to sit, soft cushions. Same way, and curtains were also there. You can see the curtain here in my house for the window. So these are shikaras, little water taxis, said father. These are shikaras. We have taxis, cabs now. That is how these are the boats which are hired for going in the lakes. Shikaras, they are taxi boats. Taxis ante cabs which we can hire auto adi తీసుకొని వెళ్తాము డబ్బులు ఇస్తాం కదా అలా we can use these small boats as taxis. They are called shikaras. Wow, there's one going by full of flowers, said Niren. Wow, so boats, they keep on going. The lake, recently we heard in 5th, 4th class, when you were in 4th class, you had a Jammu and Kashmir lesson in social studies. You came across the shikaras and houseboats also. Understand? This they saw, Niren saw a boat going with full of beautiful flowers. Wow, look at it. It is full of flowers, said Niren. And there goes one with vegetables, added Neera. ఇంకొకటి వెళ్తుంది చూడు, దాంట్లో ఫుల్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయని చెప్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ ఇన్ కశ్మీర్, ఇన్ లేక్స్, దల్ లేక్ అండ్ వన్ మోర్ ఉల్లార్ లేక్, ఈ లేక్స్లో హౌస్ బోట్స్ ఉంటాయి. మనం ఎట్లా రూమ్ స్వీట్ బుక్ చేస్తాం హోటల్లో, అట్లా అక్కడ ఉంటాం కదా, తర్వాత అన్ని చోట్ల వెళ్తాం. అలాగే అక్కడ ఆ లేక్లోనే హౌస్ బోట్స్ ఉంటాయమ్మా. వీళ్ళు అందులో ఉంటారు. అక్కడ ఉన్న ట్రావెలర్స్కి వీళ్ళు సప్లై చేస్తారనమాట. షికారాస్లో వెళ్ళి ఫ్రూట్స్ అండ్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ అమ్ముతారు. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో విచ్ ఈజ్ అవర్ హౌస్ బోట్ ఆస్క్డ్ నీరా ఇంపేషెంట్లీ. నీరా అంటుంది, మన హౌస్ బోట్ ఏది నాన్న అని. షీ ఆస్క్స్ హర్ ఫాదర్. సీ ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాన్ స్పాట్ ద స్టార్ ఆఫ్ కశ్మీర్, రిప్లైడ్ మదర్. చూడు అక్కడ ఉంది, చూడు దాని మీద రాసింది స్టార్ ఆఫ్ కశ్మీర్ అని. అదే హౌస్ బోట్ మనది అని చెప్తుంది మమ్మీ. See, if you can spot means see. If you can see, that is our houseboat on which the star of Kashmir ani rasundi ani cheptundi. That one, the one with pink curtains, the one with the flower pots, Neera said, pointing to a large houseboat in front of them. Other, which has pink curtains, which has flower pots. My goodness, look at the water lilies. వాళ్ళ ముందు ఉన్న హౌస్ బోట్ చూసి నీరా అడుగుతుంది, ఓ మై గాడ్, లుక్ ఎట్ దోస్ ఫ్లవర్స్, వాటర్ లిలీస్, సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. మై గుడ్నెస్, లుక్ ఎట్ ద వాటర్ లిలీస్ మదర్, సెడ్ నీరా. హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ సీన్ సచ్ ఎనార్మస్ లిలీస్? నీరేన్ సెడ్ సర్ప్రైజ్డ్. Have you saw such enormous, enormous means big, huge, large water lilies? He asked his mother. Niren asked his mother. They were having fun all by themselves, and poor Papaya was not even allowed to peep out. వీళ్ళంతా ఎక్సైట్మెంట్, అంత బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ద లేక్, వ్యాలీస్ చూస్తున్నారు. పాపం పపాయ ఏమో ఆ బుట్టలోనే పడుకొని ఉంటుంది. పాపం దానికి ఇట్లా బయట తొంగి చూడడానికి కూడా లేదు. అండర్స్టాండ్? పూర్ పపాయ వాజ్ నాట్ ఈవెన్ అలౌడ్ టు పీప్ అవుట్. సో యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ ద లిడ్ ఆఫ్ ద బాస్కెట్ వాజ్ ఓపెన్డ్, పపాయ స్ప్రాంగ్ అవుట్ విత్ యాంగ్రీ మ్యావ్. ఇంతసేపు లోపల పడి ఉండి విసుక్కుపోతుంది. It was angry. Once when they opened the lid of the basket, she sprang, jumped out and mewed, sound angrily she mewed. She is all right, Neera cried, picking her up and squeezing her. ఇలా దగ్గర పట్టుకుంటారు ఆర్మ్స్తో. షీ ఈజ్ ఆల్ రైట్, అమ్మ బాగానే ఉంది, ఏమి కాలేదు ఈమెకని పట్టుకుంటుంది నీరా. లెట్ హర్ డౌన్ సెడ్ మదర్. షీ వాంట్స్ టు లుక్ అరౌండ్. దాని కింద వదిలేయి, తిరిగి చుట్టూ తిరిగి అది కూడా అన్ని చూస్తుంది అని అంటది వాళ్ళమ్మ. లెట్ హర్ కీప్ డౌన్, లెట్ హర్ బీ డౌన్, లెట్ హర్ డౌన్, ఆమె కింద పెట్టు. లెట్ హర్ సీ ఆల్ అరౌండ్, షీ వాంట్స్ టు సీ. అట్ ఫస్ట్ సైట్ ద హౌస్ బోట్ సీమ్డ్ టు బీ ఎ లిటిల్ వుడన్ హౌస్ టు విచ్ దే హ్యాడ్ బ్రాట్ హర్. అండర్స్టాండ్? ముందేమనిపిస్తుంది, ఒక వుడన్ హౌస్లో ఉన్నారేమో అని, కానీ లోపల ఇన్సైడ్ ఇట్ వాస్ సో బ్యూటిఫుల్. పింక్ కర్టన్స్ ఫ్లాప్డ్ ఇన్ ద బ్రీజ్. కొట్టుకుంటాయి ఇట్లా ఎయిర్ బ్రీజ్ at the window, and the long leaves of willow tree swayed outside. Willow tree is very important tree which you find in hilly region. Swayed means moved here and there, the leaves. There were pots of flowers on the balcony. Balcony, you know, outside corridor we have at home. There they put the flower pots. Patterned rugs, designed rugs, rugs and blankets on the floor. Patterned carpets, rugs and ikkada in this lesson. Meaning, generally rugs are the blankets which we use for covering our body during winter. But here it is referred to carpet. Beautifully designed carpet is spread on the floor. A room stuffed with sofa, calendars, magazines and wooden knickknacks. So the room was fully stuffed, means filled with magazines, newspapers. Understand? Sofa and wooden knickknacks. Knickknacks means what? Small decorative objects, decorative pieces, show pieces. It looked pretty and comfortable. So with all these comfortable things, the houseboat looked pretty beautiful and very comfortable. Papaya hopped up on the windowsill and then froze. Papaya jumped చేసి విండో మీద కూర్చుంటుంది. But she froze. చాలా చల్లగా ఉంటుంది. She couldn't sit there. Slowly her back arched. ఇలా వంగిపోతుంది అన్నమాట, బెండ్ అయిపోతుంది. All her hair stood on end. ఇలా హెయిర్ స్ట్రైట్ అయిపోతాయి ఆమె బాడీ మీద. And her eyes grew large, black with horror at what she saw. Understand? First she sat on the windowsill, but she froze completely. Chala cool weather untundi. She could not bear it. Her body bent like arc. Her hair stood straight and her eyes became black with horror. Horror means fear. By seeing what she could have seen being in the lake. Large area filled with water. She was afraid of this. All around the house was nothing but a sheet of water. With a cry, she sprang down and raced away till she was in the dark corner of the sideboard. Then she heard everyone laugh. They had tricked her. Understand? So after seeing what she could see, all around the houseboat, big area is covered with water. So she was afraid to see that. At once she jumped down and she ran beside the sideboard, cupboard. Understand? So all the people, Nireen, their parents, laughed by seeing this action of the cat. They tricked it, made fun of it. So this is the lesson, how Papaya, the cat, pet cat, enjoyed the trip to Kashmir. Okay? So here we stop. Our lesson is over. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. This lesson is over. You people have to read the lesson at home. I gave you hard words. Tomorrow, before doing anything else, I will read to you hard words. You people have to sit with your notebook open with your hard words, because I am going to read them. In your notebook, order may be different, and on board, order of writing the words may be different. Nothing to worry. We are just reading them. Then I will give you the meanings. So our lesson, Papaya's adventure, is over. What was Papaya's adventure? Going to Kashmir and seeing all around in such a chilled weather was like an adventure for Papaya. That's why the name Papaya's adventure is given to this lesson. So this is the lesson, small and interesting. Here we stop. Thank you, children.